Welcome to XIOHOO TV. This video is best viewed on your phone. In this video, we will be learning how to use the magic brush function in Meitu to draw on our photo. Swipe left and search for magic brush. Tap on magic brush. You will see the magic brush features. Browse through the different brush features by swiping to the left. There are 4 main types of brushes you can use: basic colors, color pick, template brushes, and custom brushes. You can explore the brushes here. Tap on Trending. Trending shows the most popular features currently here. Tap on color icon on the left. You can select a range of colors by dragging the scale. Tap and drag your finger to activate the brush. Select the color picker. Tap and drag the circle in your photo to the color of your choice. This allows you to choose any color from your image. Wait for about 1 second. Use your finger to draw in your image. Swipe left to see more default colors on the right. Tap on any brush feature. You will see 2 options on the left side of the photo here: pencil icon and an eraser icon. Pencil icon allows you to draw or write on your photo. Tap on the eraser icon to erase any unwanted paint in your photo. Drag the scale to adjust the size of the brush or eraser. Select Custom. You will see the text box here. Tap on the text box and type in your text. There are 3 tabs: Keyboard, Style, and Fonts. Keyboard lets you input text in your text box. Style lets you choose the various colors of the text. Tap to switch the bold effect for your text. Tap to switch on the shadow effect for your text. Select Fonts to change the look of your text. Swipe up to see more fonts you can choose from. Select X icon on the right to erase the words in your text box. Select Done once you have accepted the text changes. Drag your finger on the photo to see the custom result. Swipe up to see various other brush features. The shop icon shows many other collections to download and choose from. Tap on the shop icon. This will go to a new page with various other brushes to choose from. There are also various types of brush themes you may find interest for your photo. Swipe up to see more brush features you can choose from. Trending shows the most popular stickers currently here. Beware for VIP of every feature. VIP are stickers you need to pay subscription to use. Ambience gives you an ambient look to your photo. Pattern has emojis and cute characters. Brush lets you paint colors into your image. Theme shows you many different celebrations events that you can download. To use the feature, tap to download the collection. Tap again to use the feature. You can now tap and drag your finger on your photo to activate it. Tap on the back arrow in the middle to undo an action here. Tap on the front arrow in the middle to get the current action. If you like to revert back to the original look, select X icon on the left bottom. If you wish to accept any changes on your photo, select the tick icon on the bottom right. You will see the editor page with an updated image. On the top right, there is a small white icon. Tap and hold to see the before and after editing results of your photo. Thank you for watching. Click on our playlist to watch more videos. Follow us on facebook.com/XIOHOO and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.